Hi. So this guy, we'll call him me, 'cause it's me, decided that working remotely was fun, but he needed to enjoy nature. So he did this. He put this bird feeder on his window outside so he can videotape and watch birds eat seed. Well, for the longest time it worked well. We had this bird, which I don't know what it is. I think it's a magpie, come to visit numerous times. Then this bird, it's a crow. It came to visit and have some seed as well. Then, luckily, we found this bird, which I think is a chickadee. Until this bird came to visit. And as you notice, he lands or she lands on the top of the bird feeder, which is see-through, and attempts to eat the seed through the plastic from the top. This bird could see the seed, but had no idea on how to access the seed. This is kind of like life. There are some birds, people, that are going to get the seed and know how to get in the hole and get the seed. But there are other people that have no clue.